And everyone, so my lecture topic is Asian. I will be distributing my topic into three subparts. That is introduction, and after that the brief, and the last one would be summary. So ASEAN, which have been inaugurated and it was founded inside the year of 1967, 8 August. So the main aim of the ASEAN was bringing the South Asian countries moreover to have the proper economic, the growth ties like the defense, development, trade, and many other ties that can have and boost up their economies into that particular region. Now, if we do look more forward into that, so ASEAN is being working productively from that time being. But if we see moreover, like there have been different, like by the first Asian Summit which held in 1993, so that was also being very much successful. But with the time being, that is like the main concept was not discussed inside that. So, but in the later 2005, when the ASEAN had another summit, that was the 10th, 11th summit, and in which they had a discussion at Thailand that they will be discussing moreover related to the pollution, the sea level which is being getting rising, the natural resources exploitation. So they made a plan to discuss about that. And after that in 2006, they also get the observer status inside the UN General Assembly. So that was also a positive aspect for the ASEAN. But from that time being, there have been no positive outcomes for the ASEAN. So looking into the more aspects, Asian nation should be coming up. Like if we see the founding members, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and so these were the founding nations for the ASEAN. And later on, other countries also got added on into that. But the countries which are higher with the economy, that are Singapore, Brunei, so these are having the higher economies. So the countries which are being low with the economy, they are not getting that much of platform to get interacted, making the trade ties, defense ties, culture ties, culture culture and making the strategic ties. So those things are still lagging up with the countries who are economically weaker. Now, if we talk about the present scenario, in the year 2024, we had a present Asian Summit into the Laos that had a very positive outcome. They decided to get the tariff being reduced for doing export and import of goods. So, for concluding this topic, I would just like to say, so if we want to have a positive outcome from ASEAN, there should be an aspect of reducing the trade. The countries should be having the proper export and import policies which can be defined at the ground level so that they can have a very